Showing on the screen is the latest $1,000 free Profim account, and it just dropped. Alright, so as soon as you are seeing this, ensure you are getting ready to get yours before it ends. Alright, I will show you every single thing you need to know, even to the terms and conditions you need to meet to be able to withdraw from this particular Profim. Alright, just stay with me. I am able to get mine in this video, and I will show you the step-by-step process which you need to follow to be able to get yours as well. Alright. But before I proceed, a lot of you guys are still missing out by not joining my Telegram channel, because that is where I usually drop off these videos before coming to YouTube. And a lot of bonuses and profits that have been dropping lately, there has been a lot of withdrawals from it. As you can see, this is one of them. About 3 persons were able to withdraw. Alright. And if you are looking for how you can join my Telegram channel, you just have to do is to check the description of this video or the pinned comment. You find the link to join my Telegram right there. Alright. And also, to be able to get this free $1,000 Profim account, you also need to get to my Telegram channel first, because that is where I'm putting the link. So once you get to my Telegram channel, you find the link right there. So once you click on the link you find in my Telegram, it is going to direct you to their homepage that looks like this. And right here is where you have to register an account with them just by clicking on this sign up showing right here. And right here, you have to input every other details. All right, as you can see right here, ensure you input all the important details showing on the screen, and then you click on the get funded. All right. And so after registering an account with them, it is going to direct you right here. As you can see right here, this is the free $1,000 account. Right, so as you can see, it is actually going out for $15, but based on this, we'll be getting it for $0. So you just have to copy this particular code right here. And after copying the code, then you can proceed to getting the account. All right. So you just have to do is just to click on the get started screen right here, and you wait patiently for it to load. All right. So this is the account right here. It's a two-step account, and you just have to scroll down right here to go through every single thing. This is the account right here. All right, and then you can decide to select any platform you want to use, as you can see right here. Right, and then fill in all these important details, and you can also open the terms and conditions right here to know the terms and conditions, as you can see right here. All right, so just open it and go through every single thing. All right, so, and after doing that, then you scroll down to the end, and then you agree to all of these, and then you click on continue to payments. So as you can see right here, it brought this out, which means we need to verify our email first. So you just have to click on verify email right here and click on the send OTP code, and they are going to send the code, and you have to input it right here, and then you click on verify email. All right. So after verifying your email, you have to verify your mobile number, which you use in creating this particular account. So just click on verify WhatsApp. As you can see right here, you input the number where you want to verify your WhatsApp. All right. And after inputting everything, then you can proceed to getting this particular account. All right. So just click on the menu button and then click on the new challenge, and you proceed just like we've done earlier before verifying our accounts. All right. And talking about the rules, as you can see right here, these are the rules. Minimum trading days is 5 days. All right. And also the maximum loss, the overall loss, and the profit target, and so on. So just proceed just like we did earlier. Select the platform you want to use, select everything, and then you can proceed to checking out. All right. And do not forget to apply your discount code right here so that you can be able to get the discount. All right, the 100% discount. As you can see right here, it has changed. So just click on this and then continue to payment. All right. So as you can see right here, challenge active, and I can now proceed to login into my MT5 account. All right. And you can also access your dashboard. As you can see showing on the screen, it is currently loading. And these are my credentials right here to log into my MT5. All right, so this is the server right here. You just have to copy the server and your login credentials and head over to your MT5. All right. And after inputting all the details, you just have to click on the login, and this is it right here. This is my account right here showing on the screen. This is to show that you can also get yours, because I just got mine in few minutes, and this is it showing on the screen. All right. So as soon as you're watching this, ensure you go and get yours before it ends. All right. Before it ends, go and get yours as soon as possible. Right. And also, if you have gotten yours, don't forget to send the proof to me in my Telegram. And also don't forget to drop a comment so that people can know that this is real and they can get theirs as well. All right. So don't forget to like this video, share with people that if you might need it, and also subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.